Hello everyone, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor. This is the place where we make fun, easy, and delicious cocktails, and we show you how to do it. We like to match our cocktails to the season that we're in, and this season isn't always so good. We've had over 105 inches of snow so far this year, and we've got another 6 weeks of snow possible. It seems like I've been shoveling snow every day for weeks on end. I have been. This cocktail is made to warm you up. So join me as we make today's cocktail, the Nor'easter. Let's get shoveling. I'm pouring. This cocktail has 4 simple ingredients. We're going to mix them up in a shaker. Now, our first ingredient going in there is maple syrup. And we're going to use a ½ ounce. Nice, thick, amber, delicious, tasty, sweet. Next ingredient, fresh lime juice. And we're going to put in there 1/2 ounce. Now, for the good stuff, we are putting in there 2 ounces of bourbon. Now, a lot of people aren't bourbon fans. I personally don't understand that, but today we're using Woodford's. It's a nice, easygoing bourbon. We're going to put in there 2 full ounces. If you're looking at most of these ingredients, you're saying, wow, that kind of looks like a Kentucky Mule. And they are very similar, except with the addition of that maple syrup. Now, everything that's in that shaker that needs to get shaken is there, so let's ice this up and make it cold. Now we've got a nice frosty coupe, and the reason we're chilling our coupe, because we're not putting any ice in here, this helps keep the cocktail cooler longer. So we're going to pour that in there. Beautiful golden color to it. And now, to top it off with some ginger beer. We're using Fever Tree. We're going to put 1 ounce to 2 ounces in there, top off the glass. And all we have left to do is garnish. And for that, I'm just going to take a lime wheel and I'm going to float that on top. And there's today's cocktail, the Nor'easter. That is so good. You've got a nice, easygoing taste in bourbon there with that Woodford's. We've got the ginger beer, gives it a little bit of bite, and that maple just sweetens it up and gives it a nice woodsy flavor. And I don't care that I got a big snowblower. I'm still going to have one of these when it snows. Cheers, everyone.